Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can link OneDrive to File Explorer. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop and this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find File Explorer. If you don't find this here in your desktop, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Open. And then you're going to be here in this window. So basically, guys, once you're here, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections, Home, Gallery, Desktop, Downloads. And as you can see, guys, right here, I have the OneDrive folder. So basically, guys, if you want to have the OneDrive folder right here, all you need to do, guys, is download OneDrive. So basically, guys, once you download and install OneDrive on your PC, it will be automatically here in File Explorer. You just need to open it. If you want to open it, just go to the Start menu, search for OneDrive app, and then click on Open, and it will take you directly here to this folder. So basically, guys, right now, if you go to a OneDrive folder and right click on it, here you're going to find a lot of options. Here, as you can see, guys, you can pin it to the quick access here in File Explorer. As you can see, guys, once you pin it to the quick access, you're going to find it always right here in the quick access to access the folder a lot easier. So right now I'm going to unpin it from here. You can also pin it to start, as you can see guys right here. And if you want to go to the settings of OneDrive, just go to OneDrive right here. Click on it. Here you're going to find View Online, Settings, and lastly folder color. If you click on Settings, you're going to be here in this window. Right here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find these sections. If you go to Account, as you can see guys from here, you can link OneDrive to your PC. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.